Starting a business is bold. You had the courage to make your idea a reality. But the reality is, you're the CEO, sales rep, customer support, and accountant? If you're buried in bookkeeping, who's leading the company? To succeed, you need resources, an advisor, a partner with experience who says,
"Yes, I see it, and I know it will help." At Pilot, we're building a future where everyone has access to the resources they need to succeed.
We handle your books, but that's just the start. With an intuitive platform and time-saving integrations paired with advisory support, Pilot gives you the clarity, control, and confidence to grow your business.
Whether you're just starting out, branching into new locations, or scaling revenue, Pilot meets you where you're at. So if you're wondering,
can I afford to hire another person?
Am I spending too much on advertising?
Why are sales up, but my bank balance is down?
Real experts answer.
"Hey Marianne, let's take a look." This isn't the expertise of a single advisor. You're tapping into the collective insight we've gained from thousands of small businesses across every industry. And with our years of experience supporting entrepreneurs like you, we bring the trending info and insights that the others can't.
This agency owner showed profit on paper, but kept running out of cash. We dug in and uncovered $12,000 in unbilled work sitting in limbo. Visibility unlocked payments, and that changed everything.
This specialty food brand was facing rising ingredient costs, so we built a product-level cost analysis, revealing which items to reformulate, reprice, or discontinue before their best sellers became money losers.
When business owners come to us, we transform their view of what accounting can do, showing where cash is going, increasing profitability, and catching issues before they become problems.
Rather than managing long emails or spending hours on the phone, everything is right here in Pilot, including tax deadlines, who still owes you, and what bills are due.
So before you ask, am I really spending that much on advertising? It's easy to drill down. With one click, see spending by vendor and instantly track where your money goes.
Is it already tax season? Well, we've got you covered. From prep to filing, we make sure you stay compliant and maximize what you keep. It's your business, but let's not mess with the IRS.
Looking to expand your business? We'll get your finances bank ready for that loan or credit line. When it's time to expand or bring on a partner, we provide the clear financial picture you need to make the right call.
With Pilot, you're getting a partner who gets your business, gets you, and leverages AI to deliver real results. Whether you're managing cash flow, planning for expansion, or preparing for retirement, you get to sleep well, knowing we've got your back. Pilot, accounting so good, you can get back to business. Advisory so good, you can build the future.